Most beginner traders blow their trading account not because they don't have a right strategy, but because they risk too much on a particular trade, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your position sizing calculator to know how much to risk per trade. Trading is about long term, right? And if you're trading long term, you don't want to allow yourself, or you don't want to find yourself in that situation where one trade has to blow your account. To solve that problem, you need to know how to use your position size calculator. First of all, what is position sizing? Simply the number of lots you are using, right? So your position size is simply the number of lots you are using. Now, it determines how much money you stand the chance to lose or make. So before you want to know how much am I going to lose on this particular trade, or how much will I make on this particular trade, right? You need to use your position size. How do we use our position size? The first steps. The first step here, decide your risk per trade. You have analyzed your trade, yes. Your strategy is good. Now, what next? How much am I risking on this particular trade? And personally for me, I'm going to advise most traders or most mentors always say risk 1% of your account per trade. Now let's take for example, you have $100 account and you want to risk 1% of your account. You'll be risking $1 per trade. Risking $1 and you want to have a good risk to reward ratio of maybe 1:2, 1:3. It means you'll be risking $1 to gain $3. Trust me, this can only give you maybe breakfast, I don't know, but this is never going to elevate you. This is never going to probably give you that forex lifestyle or that dream. They dream of living that forex trader's lifestyle. I'm not sure, right? So, but now let's take for example that on a $100 account and you risk maybe $5, right, per trade, and with a good risk to ratio maybe 1:3. Now you're risking $5 and aiming to make $15. Now that makes sense, right? Now, I will not also blame these mentors that will say risk 1% or 2%. It depends on your strategy. If you have a good, appropriate strategy, at FN-FOREX Academy, we teach you how to trade pure price action. And with our pure price action strategy, you cannot lose up to 10 trades in a row. That is why it's guaranteed that, okay, yes, you can risk up to 5% per trade. Because risking up to 5% per trade, it is very guaranteed that you cannot lose 10 trades in a row. If you lost 10 trades in a row, that's why our mentorship is lifetime. You come back to class, probably there's something wrong. But if you have a strategy where you can risk maybe you can lose 10 trades in a row, then yes, risking 1 to 2% per trade is okay, right? But the whole scenario here is that decide your risk per trade. That is the first step towards using position sizing, because the position sizing at the end of the day is for you to know how much you are risking. So once you decide your risk per trade, the next thing, measure your stop loss in pips. Measure your stop loss in pips. If I've decided, okay, we'll work on this $100, right? We'll work on $100. So if I have my $100 account and I decide on my $100, I want to risk 10% of my account, right? I want to risk 10% of my account. So which therefore means that on this my $100, I'll be risking $10 per trade. Now I've decided I want to risk $10 on my account. Why have I decided I want to risk $10? Because I know I cannot lose 10 trades in a row. So I can definitely not blow my trading account. For a beginner, those who actually learn how to trade at FN-FOREX Academy, I always say maybe start with 5%. Some mentors will tell you maybe start with 1%. It's very understandable. 1% is going to work if you have like a prop firm. Maybe you have a prop firm of maybe $50,000, or you have a prop firm of $10,000. I would recommend you risk maximum 1% per trade. But if you're trading a personal account, then 5%, 3% is ideal for a beginner. So let's say at this point, based on my example, I want to risk 10% is $10, right? The next thing I want to look at, measure your stop loss in pips. Let's say my stop loss is 10 pips, or let me say, right? If my stop loss is 20 pips, now the next thing I want to measure is which loss size will I use, right? To make sure that this 20 pip stop loss, if the market goes against me and my 20 pip stop loss hit, I should not lose more than $10, right? So that's where the position sizing calculator comes in. And for the position size calculator, we have a formula we normally use. And most of us are not really good at maths, or using this position sizing formula might be very difficult. For now, I can use the position size calculator. Maybe account risk, right? You maybe put your account, maybe I have my $100 account, divided by my stop loss. My stop loss is 20 pips. Then, now the pip value now, if you're using maybe loss size 0.1 or maybe loss size 1, that's going to depend on your account size. But let's say, for example, on a 20 pips stop loss, and I want to risk $10, right? If I'm to use maybe, let's say 0.1, 1 pip movement on 0.1, that's a pip value. 1 pip movement is $1. So 20 pip stop loss is going to be risking me $20 instead of what I want to risk, $10. So what will I do? I'll have to reduce my pip value and I'll maybe open a position of 0.05, right? 0.05 now, 1 pip movement is 50 cents. So if 1 pip movement is 50 cents now is 0.05 on a 50 cent, I'm going to take 50 cents times 220, right? 50 cents times 20 now will give me $10. So at this point, my loss size I'm going to be using is loss size 0.5, right? But now, to solve all of these mathematics and all these things, that's why at FN-FOREX Academy, if you go to our website, fnforex1.com, you are going to see that we made a tool called a position size calculator, where you basically just have to go there and you input basic values like the risks you want to trade, how much risks do you want to trade on your account size, your pip value, and it's going to calculate all of this and give to you directly. So now let's simply just go to the FN-FOREX website right away. Now this is our FN-FOREX website. If you come to our website, let me just go back to home. If you come to our website, you come to more, depending on the device you are using. You come to tools, right? When you come to tools, you're going to see position size calculator. Now when you click on the position size calculator, I'm going to tell you this is one of the best position size calculators out there, and you're going to know why. On the position size calculator, we have Forex and we have crypto. What are you trading? Forex, fine. Which pair are you trading? You come here, you choose your pair, right? Right there we have Euro USD. The next, deposit currency. Which currency is your account, right? If your account is in USD, you just search USD. You are going to have your account in USD. What is your account balance? Our account balance on that trade, our account balance was, let me adjust this. Our account balance was $100, right? Account balance $100. Now, how much do you want to risk, right? So you have put the currency pair you are trading, your account is in USD, your account balance. How much are you risking? Risk, right? Now we have two types. Why did I make it two types? You could decide that there are people that are risking in percentage. Okay, I'm risking 5% on my account. Why there are people that are risking in the actual money, right? Maybe you can say on my $100, I'm risking $10. So if you are risking in percentage, make sure that it is in percentage, then you put your percentage 2%, right? Right there, we're risking 5%. Or I was risking 10%, right? I was risking 10%. So I'm just going to put 10%. Or if I want to put it in money, I'll just click here, I take USD. Now, on that $100, how much was I risking? $10. I'll just put my $10 there, right? You put it there, so now it is in dollars. Now, the most interesting part and what makes this calculator very unique. We have pips and we have price. Right here, you have to put how many pips is your stop loss, right? Our stop loss was 20 pips, right? So we are just going to put, our stop loss was 20 pips. So I'll just put 20 pips. Your stop loss might be 50 pips, it might be 30 pips, right? You put. Now, once that is done, I'll just simply calm down and I take calculate, right? When I take calculate, it's going to give me the lot size to use and how much I am risking. When we did the manual calculation, though it was long, this was the same amount we had, right? We were using 0.05 if we want to risk 10% of our account or $10 of our account, right? What makes this calculator interesting? Other calculators have just pips. There are people that are copying signals. For example, if you want to copy my signals, right? Meanwhile, if you want to copy my signals, you can just click the link down below, join my Telegram, where I give out free signals. Now, let's say you want to copy my signals. When I send out the signal, I'll give the entry price, I'll give the take profit, I'll give the stop loss. But I might not give the number of pips from the entry to your stop loss. Now, what do? You come here in this position where you have to put the stop loss in pips, because you are just copying signals. Maybe you don't know how to calculate the number of pips, right? You just want to copy signals. Then you just simply switch to price. Once you switch to price, this is the open price of Euro USD as we speak now, right? So this is the price of Euro USD, and now you just simply have to put the price of stop loss. So if I get a trade, say buy Euro USD and stop loss is 1.16331, you just have to take the stop loss and you come and put here, right? Once you take the stop loss price and you come and put here, that is all. Once you take the stop loss price and come and put here, then you just simply have to click your calculate. It's going to give you exact loss size you have to use. That means for this calculator, even if you don't know how to use if you don't know how to calculate maybe stop loss in pips, at least you know that, okay, this signal has been sent and the stop loss price is this amount. You just have to come and put the stop loss price. I'll repeat again. You put the stop loss price, then you simply put how much is in your account and how much you want to risk per trade and your account currency and the currency pair. You calculate and you have your loss size immediately. With this, you are never going to lose more than what you cannot afford, or you're never going to lose more than what you are not comfortable losing, because before placing the trade, you have calculated using your position size calculator which loss size will I use in order for me to risk this particular amount I want to risk. I know there are risk takers out there that will maybe risk even 20% of their account. I know there are risk takers out there that will risk maybe even 50% of their account. But what I'm going to recommend is that you should make sure that your risk should be, right? Your risk should be low. If you're trading a prop firm, you should risk maximum 1% per trade, because prop firms have daily drawdown of 5%. So if you're risking maximum 1% per trade, then you take maximum 3 trades a day, you are never going to hit daily drawdown. That takes you up from the 70% of those who always blow their account because of daily drawdown to the 30 up, right? To the top 30. If you have a personal account, I will not recommend you risking 1% per trade, because it's probably not going to take you anywhere. We are risking 1% on prop firms because we have a maximum daily drawdown of 5%, right? If you have a personal account, you can step it up maybe to 3% per trade or 5% maximum per trade as a beginner, right? So do apply position sizing. Make sure that from today henceforth, before you place a trade, know how much you are risking per trade. And if it works for you, always come back to this video and tell me how it goes. If you like this video too, like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click the link down below to join my free Telegram channel where I give out free lessons and free signals for you to actually just copy, use your position sizing calculator, know how much you are risking, and make some money. Peace out.